on everybody. I want you come and see this little beauty island, island by the sea. So won't you come and feel and enjoy this island feeling, island of joy of Guam. You with a half a day. It's our island greeting, or greeting you the local way here on Guam. A paradise in the sun. People sees people having some fun on this island, of Guam. With lots of fun, pretty tamoritas dancing to the beat of the island, on this island of Guam. Island touring is what we all do, introducing nationalities on what we went through. Boonie hiking to our island sceneries, educating and teaching our local history of Guam. In the sun, people sees people having some fun on this island of Guam. Lots of fun, pretty tamoritas dancing to the beat of the island, on this island of Guam. Potato to Malik, how are you? You will hear the local people say to you, generosity, hospitality you will see on this island of Guam. In the sun, people sees people having some fun on this island, of Guam. A paradise with lots of fun, pretty tamoritas dancing to the beat of the island, on this island of Guam. Malik, how are you? You will hear the local people say to you, generosity, hospitality you will see on this island of Guam. On this island